Welcome back, everyone. So did a quick video in the Land Rover just in regards to the stereo and a little stereo update that we did. Just finishing off the wiring up the front, get the thing moving. So with the stereo, it's got a little Bluetooth DAB radio, a couple of sets of JBLs. You've got 4 inches on the roof and 6.5 inches underneath the dash. I've just got, and obviously the little Kenwood under seat sub. So I'll just show you what it looks like. It's very simple to wire in, because we were rewiring the Land Rover anyway. It was just simple three cables for the stereo, power, a remote turn on or ignition live, and an earth, and that was all. And then with the cabling, we just run the speaker cables up the pillars and across the floor. But I'll show you how it sounds. So this is like the little setup. We've got a little Kenwood stereo underneath. We've got 6.5 inch JBLs, and I say the cable just runs up. You can see in the corner there where it's. I've still got to put the side back in. It runs along the top. Set of 4 inch JBLs at the top there, and then just behind where you've got the driver and passenger seat. Obviously the seats go in the middle. There is a cubby box here as well, so that covers up the speaker, but that sits lovely just on the bulkhead behind. And I'll give it just a little test. Obviously just a little video there, just show the sort of stereo setup we've got in the Land Rover. It was very cheap. Very simple little setup. Probably you could do it for a couple 250 quid, 300 quid maximum, depending on the stereo. The speakers are sort of £30–40 a pair. The underseat sub is about £100, and then all depending on what you want on the stereo to do, depends on the rest. So it's very simple wiring. If you've got any questions or queries, obviously give us a shout, and I'll let you know or explain what we did in more detail. Obviously, if the video is useful, give it a like. Please look to subscribe to the channel, and we've got quite a bit more coming up on the Land Rover. As you can see, I'm diving right into the wiring at the moment, and it shouldn't be too long before it's on the road and we go out on a few adventures. So look forward to that, and if not, I will see you in the next video.